Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, so please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the notification bell below para maging updated ka pa sa lahat ng tutorials na i-upload ko. Thank you so much. And also, I want to thank you for my 700 subscribers in total and 700 and counting. Hopefully, we can reach the target. So, thank you so much sa lahat ng nag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. So, for today's tutorial, ituturo ko kung paano natin malalaman if who we're trying to open our phones, kung sino yung gustong mag-open ng ating mga lock screen, ganon. So, we have a way to find out kung may nag-a-attempt na ganon na gumawa sa ating cellphone. So, don't skip the video. Just continue watching para mas mag-guide ka pa. Just install LockWatch. Ito siya. So, search nyo lang yung LockWatch. Then, ito na siya lalabas. So, we're done installing. So, ito na yung lalabas. So, in general, send alert email. So, i-click lang natin, i-on. And then, just click OK for permission. Just type the code na lalabas dito. Sorry. Just type the code from the right side. BJJ. I think this one is T. Okay, BJJT. So, pag nalagay na natin yung code, just click activate. Then, click allow to take pictures and record video. Also allow yung location, i-allow nyo rin i-on. Then click an email kung saan siya magsisend. Make sure the email is always active, hindi yung old emails. Dapat yun na open yun na email. Okay, so you can also choose if how many attempts para mag-send siya ng alert email. You can choose either 1 or 2 or 3 attempts. So, if ever 2 attempts, let's try. Pwede rin yun. And then, try natin to later on before you put the exact pattern on your phone. Make sure to wait 10 seconds. Okay? Also, check nyo yung spam folder nyo and i-mark nyo yung email na yun as not spam, okay? And then, if you want to deactivate this app, just click here. Then, i-deactivate nyo siya and then uninstall if you want, kung ayaw na siyang gamitin, okay? It's all up to you. So, after we're done with that, this is a very simple lang. Very simple instructions. You can get this. And then, if you want to go premium, so, if you want to go to premium, you need to upgrade to access this additional feature. So, it will detect if there are changes in the SIM card. And also, it can send email when powered off without being unlocked first, okay? Also, you can take multiple photos. Kung sino yung nag-try na mag-open sa phone nyo, yun, magte-take siya ng picture. And also, it can record sound clip 20 seconds using the microphone of the phone. Okay? If you don't have no data connection, mag-try siya sending emails when you have already available internet. Yun. So, I don't know if how much this costs. If you want to click this, then may lalabas na ito, payment method, either communication, billing, smart, credit or debit card, or GCash or PayPal. I don't know if how much this costs. You have your choice if you can go to this premium or use this general settings only. Okay, so always remember, install at your own risk, okay? Install at your own risk, and whatever happens regarding this app installing in your phone, I'm out of it, okay? I'm just doing the tutorials and hopefully it will help you. And just comment down below if you have the questions and if you don't understand. Kung may mga features na hindi naintindihan, you can comment down below. Yun. And then, so we can try this. So, let's see if this will really works. Okay? I will going to try. For example, ako yung nagtitry na mag-open ng lock screen. Ibang tao ko, kunyari. Gusto ko i-open yung phone na to. I don't know the password, so I will going to try to attempt, diba? So, I will off this. Nakita yung, hindi kasi na-record ng screen recording pag nilock mo yung phone mo, din i-open mo ulit. So, automatic, nag-off siya. So, hindi siya nasama dun sa video. But, still, in-off ko yun, then in-open ko talaga siya after the attempts. And I wait 10 seconds, and then, ayun na. I did put the right code already. So, I did try 2 attempts unlocking with wrong pins. Just to show you an example, if ever hindi ako yung nag-open, kasi diba mag-a-attempt siya na mag-open, so hindi niya alam yung code or yung pattern ng phone mo. And then, i-check natin sa email kung nag-send siya ng email sa atin. Okay, just refresh your email. Okay, so, nag-send ng email alert sa atin. Someone tried to unlock your Realme phone. So, ako yun kanina, diba? For example, ako yung nagtatry lang mag-open ng phone na hindi sa akin. Eto na siya. Nag-email agad dun sa email na nilagay natin. Okay, eto siya. Lock was detected someone trying to unlock your Realme phone on Saturday, November 6 at 9:48 p.m. Ayan, so, mag-i-email siya na meron nag-try na mag-open ng phone mo. Pero hindi ikaw yun, diba? So, for example, you have a doubt na you have your friends na magkasama kayo, then you have a doubt na maybe etong friend ko nagtatry din i-open yung phone ko to see something, or I don't know what would be the purpose, diba? So, you would know if just that time around 9:48 p.m. who's with you, diba? Who's with you? So you will notice kung sino kasama mo, and then of course you have the idea of who is trying to open your phone, diba? Yun lang kadali. So this is for educational purposes only, okay? As a reminder again, install at your own risk. Yun lang, if you want to install this, make sure deactivate it before uninstalling. And also, always check if, pag halimbawa, sa spam siya, so, i-ano nyo lang siya, i-mark nyo as not a spam para diretso siya dun sa inyong inbox. Okay, yun lang, and I hope this helps you also. If you have comments, suggestions, just comment down below para masagot natin yan and magawan pa natin yung ibang suggestions na gusto nyong makita. Okay? So, thank you so much and God bless you all.